Hi guys, welcome to our channel Coding with Karthik. So from today onwards we are starting with Python tutorial which is really helpful for beginners. So in this session we are going to discuss few topics: Python introduction, where we use Python, installation, syntax, example, and about VS Code editor. Let's start this session. Python introduction. What is Python? So it is interpreted, object-oriented and high-level programming language, and it was conceived in late 1980s by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. So we are saying interpreted, object-oriented and high-level. So let's discuss one by one. Why it is interpreted language? So before that, first of all, we should know interpret is not property of the Python but a property of the implementation. That means we can say it is type of execution. So that means Python uses PVM interpreted, which is Python virtual machine, to execute, and it executes one statement at a time and one after one in series. So it is very easy to debug also. When you run Python file, first of all it will create bytecode, then it uses PVM interpreter to convert bytecode into the machine code. That is nothing but it is like PVM interpreter is acting as translator, which is converting high level, that means human readable code, to the machine level code. So that's why we are calling it as interpreted language. Clear, right? Next, it is object oriented. Why it is object oriented? Simple. Since it supports major OOPS concepts, so it is object oriented, like class, method, inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, data abstraction. So it supports all the major OOPS concepts. So because of this, it is object oriented. And now, why it is high level language? Since it is programmer friendly language and easy to understand and simple to debug and maintain, and it can run on any platform. So because of all these properties, we can say it is high level language. Guys, I hope now you can understand why it is interpreted, object oriented and high level programming language. Now coming to the next topic, where we can use Python. We can use Python in many places, like web development, desktop application, mobile apps, machine learning, data engineering, data science, IoT, and tools like RPA, analytics, and etc. Next, Python installation. So you can download it from python.org/downloads. So depends on your system requirements like OS and all those things. You can download the specified version of the installation file. Yeah. After successful installation, you can find the Python ideally under apps in your PC. So it is like shell. Shell means whatever you write and execute, you can see the output immediately. So see, I'm just printing hello world, you can see the output. Using ideally, we can execute Python file also. Like just let's say we can create one file, and I'm just printing one statement here. Yeah. Yes, I'm saving the file. We can run this file using run module option, or we can directly press F5 on keyboard. So by that we can see output. Next topic is Python syntax. Basically its syntax is easy and very readable, and we can use # to comment the statement. And Python uses indentation to indicate the block of code. Here indentation is nothing but spaces at the beginning of each statement. You can just see here. So here I'm just declare the variable a equal 5, and I'm just using the if condition if a equal to 5. So here under if condition, it's like if you want to just write the block of code under if condition, we have to use the same number of spaces, nothing but same indentation at each statement. So see, I'm just writing 3 printing statement under if condition with the same spaces at beginning. So now I hope you can understand what is indentation. As you see, we are using Python ideal, but it is not suitable for projects. We can go with other editors like PyCharm, Spider and VS Code. I prefer to use VS Code. You can download VS Code from the official website visualstudio.com/download. Depends on your system OS, you can download the specified version. After successful installation, you can find the Visual Studio Code under your apps. I'm just opening the existing files in my PC. I'm just selecting the folder by that the entire folder will be placed here. Yeah. See, I can open the terminal and I can run the program here itself. Python space filename.py. So I can run any program in this folder. So yeah, please download the VS Code since from the next session onwards we'll be using the VS Code itself, and we will discuss Python basics in the next video, like variables, data types, if else conditional statements and more. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video.